In this presentation, we'll learn how to cleanly remove an application using the SailPoint terminal. Imagine it like tidying up your desk, less clutter, more focus. We'll cover accessing the terminal, identifying the app, and finally running the removal command. No worries, it's simpler than it sounds. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. SailPoint is your identity management superhero. It's designed to organize and control application access, making security a breeze. Picture it as the bouncer at a cool club, only letting the right people in while keeping everything safe and compliant. Fun, right? Think of an app's lifecycle like raising a pet. From adoption creation to the eventual goodbyes deletion, it's a process. SailPoint ensures every step is smooth, safe, and systematic, so you're not chasing stray cats, figuratively speaking, of course. Removing an application is like decluttering your closet. If something's outdated, redundant, or just taking up space, it's time to let it go. It's all about keeping things efficient and secure, because no one needs an app hoarder situation. Before removing apps, prep like a pro. Have terminal access, know the app details, and ensure no accidental fallout from dependencies. And back up your data, it's your safety net. Think of it like double-checking before hitting delete on that email. Accessing SailPoint's terminal is like entering a vault. It's secure and requires credentials. Once authenticated, you're in control. Don't worry, I promise it's easier than unlocking your phone when you're wearing gloves. Listing apps is like making a grocery list. You'll see what's installed and can identify what's needed or not. Sorting helps you find the right one faster, like spotting ice cream on the list, a sweet reward. This step is all about being Sherlock Holmes. Spot the right application, confirm its identity, and ensure it's free from dependencies. Remember, no accidental oops moments here. We're thorough investigators. Backup is your safety shield. Always prepare for the unexpected. Save crucial data, secure it, and test it like a fire drill. Let's avoid any Houston, we have a problem scenarios, shall we? Finally, the moment of truth. Run the command, double-check the name, and confirm like a boss. It's like clicking unfriend on social media, but for apps. It's liberating and keeps things tidy. All right, folks, first things first, before we start celebrating, let's make sure the application removal request was actually processed. Nobody wants to send an app off into oblivion only to find it hanging around like an uninvited guest. We need to check user access, ensure proper deprovisioning in SailPoint, and of course, validate those logs. Because trust me, oops is not the word we want to hear later. Even after removal, applications can leave traces behind like digital fingerprints. Orphaned accounts, they need to go. Database cleanup, absolutely. We also need to ensure any system dependencies have been wiped out. And let's not forget lingering access rights, because an X application still having permissions. That's like giving your ex the keys to your house. Big no-no. Now that the removal is underway, let's get our systems talking again. Running the identity sync process ensures everyone is on the same page. We need to validate user roles so no one accidentally gets demoted to invisible mode. Downstream applications should reflect the changes, and system-wide consistency is key. Because folks, misalignment in identity systems is like showing up at a costume party in a tux, awkward. Ah yes, the troubleshooting stage. The part where we pretend everything is smooth while secretly preparing for chaos. Common failures might pop up, and permission conflicts can be sneaky. Sync errors, they love to show up unannounced. And sometimes, systems behave in ways that make us question reality. But hey, with the right approach, we tackle these head-on and emerge victorious. Security and compliance aren't just fancy words. They're the backbone of a solid removal process. We double-check removal policies, enforce access governance, and ensure audit readiness. And of course, security checks are a must. Because let's be honest, if we remove an application but leave security gaps behind, we're basically inviting trouble to the party. And we don't want trouble, do we? Want to be a removal rock star? Follow structured protocols. Document everything, because future you will thank present you for the details. Keep an eye on system behavior post-removal, just in case a digital ghost lingers. And let's train stakeholders so everyone knows what's happening. Remember, a well-informed team means fewer "why is this not working?" in moments. Before we wrap up, it's checklist time. We complete the removal checklist to ensure nothing was missed. The audit trail has to be spotless, no mysterious gaps. Residual risks, not on our watch. And finally, we prep the compliance report, because nothing says we did our job well like a neatly compiled report ready to impress auditors. We did it. Application removal in SailPoint is no small feat, and we covered everything from confirmation to final audits. Now what's next? We take lessons learned and improve future removals. Ongoing monitoring ensures no surprises. And of course, we get ready for the next set of system updates. Because in the world of IT, there's always a next step. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.